What up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Turbo because this coin is about to get really insane, and in this video I will show you the exact setups that I'm currently watching here, so if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. As I said in the intro, right now we are forming here this falling wedge, which is in my opinion a bullish setup, and also we are forming it after a huge pump. In the long time perspective, we are here in a heavy bullish uptrend, but for example this last pump after this triangle breakout, we had here a profit around like 57% of a net market, and you can see that this triangle was really small, and I think that if certain conditions are met with this current falling wedge setup, I think that there can be definitely a room for another huge pump. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So I'm waiting here for a breakout and then support confirmation. The big disadvantage of this setup is that above this resistance we have these two bearish order blocks, which are between level 0.01175 and 0.01113, and then the second bearish order block is between level 0.01270 and 0.01225. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So as I said, entry will be after above this resistance line after a breakout and then support confirmation. Stop loss in this case you need to place somewhere back to this falling wedge, because if there will be breakdown again with resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit target you can then place, in my opinion, on really high levels, and with this trade you can aim here for at least a move around 50%, but in my opinion we can do here something like 70%, something like that, which will give you a trade with potential risk to reward like 18.6, and that's in my opinion absolutely insane. As I said, we have here these two important bearish order blocks, so if you will open your long position here, then some of the profits you should definitely take in this area, and then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. Then some of the profits take in this second bearish order block, and again you can move your stop loss to let's say higher levels. Then some of the profits you should definitely take once we will take liquidity above this current high, which is on the level 0.01345, and then we will be in the price discovery phase, which means that historically in this area we don't have any liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. So let's assume you will take some of the profit on like 0.015, 17 or like 16, and then you will take some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio 18.6, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 13, 14, something like that, which is in my opinion still absolutely insane setup. So yeah, if you are looking for some interesting trading position on this coin, then definitely this is the main setup that I'm currently watching on this time frame. If we take a look on a daily chart, you can see that we had here perfect breakout and then support confirmation of this main resistance on a daily time frame. You can see that we were under this resistance for like 137 days, and after perfect breakout and support confirmation, this was really perfect, we had here a pump around like 60%. That was the exact move that I showed you on that 1 hour chart. So right now, because we are forming here this falling wedge on that lower time frame, I still think that even on a higher time frame there is really high probability that this coin will continue with its pump, but I'm not planning to open a long position right now, because as I said, we have here several resistances which are really important. So even we had here a perfect support confirmation on a daily time frame, this is not the exact level where you want to open this position on a daily time frame, because stop loss in this case you still need need to place under this resistance area. So you will need to place, let's say, your last take profit target on really high level to have at least like 5 risk reward ratio. So yeah, opening a long position right now on a daily time frame is, in my opinion, not a good idea. The only possible way to open here a long trade on a daily time frame will be valid in case of another retest of this previous resistance area, perhaps in case of a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation. If this happens, then your exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and entry will be somewhere in this resistance area, because yeah, you will wait for that support confirmation. Your last take profit target in that case you can place, for example, on like 0.0156, or if you want you can place it on higher levels, and with this trade you can aim for much bigger profit. So actually this is a main setup that I'm watching right now on a daily time frame, but for this setup to be valid there still needs to be a drop at least around like 30%, because as I said, I want to see here first of all a liquidity grab under this resistance or like previous resistance area. Also, you can see that this resistance area is quite similar with this bullish order block on the 1 hour chart, which is between 0.008833 and 0.008552 approximately. So in case of, let's say, a retest, then fake out, and then a support confirmation in this bullish order block, this can be an opportunity on the 1 hour chart. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, which will be somewhere in the previous resistance area, but this resistance area will be right now an important support level, and your last take profit target you can, for example, place under this current high, which can give you a trade with risk reward ratio up to 13.475. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the profit will be absolutely insane. So again, some of the profits you want to take under this bearish order block, you want to save some back to the last take profit target, and also some of the profits you can take on these levels. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. These were the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, and if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also, if you want to know about my videos as soon as possible, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. But yeah guys, this will be, as I said, all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.